guys, it snowed, so I thought I'd come up Penyghent. I'm not even a quarter of the way up yet, but look at this view, mate. It's absolutely stunning. So beautiful. So I'm going to get to the top and get some good videos and photos from up there, because it's clear, sun's out, the skies have gone clear. I'll be able to see Wainside, Ingleby. I'll shoot at the top. I'll take a few pictures on the way up as well. Amazing. I need to hurry up. The cloud's coming in. It's going to cover that. It's clear out of there as well, look at it. I'm going to have a look, I think. Keep going. I want to get there before the cloud comes in. I'm so glad I bought these. They've been fantastic on this bit up here. Look at that. Not one bit of wind. Not a bit at the top yet. There's another 100 feet to go, 150, 200. I might stay up here for sunset. Beautiful. Just the last steps, then we're there. Maybe got another 200 or 300 steps. And we're there. I can't wait for the view. Look how deep that's nice. Oh, the cloud's coming in now. Brilliant. It's cleared up a bit. Temperature's dropped low. The clouds down there. Absolutely stunning. That would be a bit slippy. Not if you're wearing crampons. That's 17 quid, have I got that? For the suspension, I say. Look at that view. That's priceless. Absolutely amazing.